Ripped some number 2 insulated, got over a bucket, almost a bucket and a half of bright wire. It's a good, maybe pound. While I was stripping, I ran into some burnt wire. But I'm going to throw it in my number 2. This has bright wire on it, but it also has number 2, so number 2 it goes. But I still have half a bag of wire to strip, but that'll be for another weekend because my hand's sore. It's all cut up, but it's worth it. I'm getting almost $3 a pound for this, so compared to 25 cents that I'm getting for number 2. So if it's worth it, strip. Hey guys, Mighty Scrapper here. So today in this video, I'm going to be cracking open this electric motor a guy gave me from my scrap video. And before I get started, I want to do some disclaimers. Make sure to do this away from a flame. The sparks from the cutting wheel on this will hit the flammable liquid or anything like that, and it'll turn out bad. Also, remember to wear gloves as you are dealing with sharp metal, and some glasses because it is metal going all over the place. That's what sparks are. So let's just get in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down here where that hole is. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's a little gap right there that I'm just going to cut down, and then I've got a screwdriver right here that I'm going to use to pry open. I might have to make multiple cuts, but we'll see. So let me get all ready and we'll start going. Make sure to wear long sleeves because they do hurt the metal when it goes. And don't be alarmed if my air compressor kicks in. It's just because it's running out of air, so let me set you right back where you were. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to finish this off video. That's pretty much what you do is you just go down there. I'll show you after I cut it off, so keep watching. Just got done cutting it up, and I went ahead and just cut off the end to save time on the video. But all you would do is just cut around, and this piece will come off. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That number 2 copper. Now all we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're just going to, I think I should have a spot to put this. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to shorten y'all down here for a second. Y'all short, and I'm going to aim you downwards and show you how to take this out. So just put it in somewhere where it will stay. Get a big flathead, just crank that copper out. Oh man, that's thick stuff. good though. It kind of has to be worked out. I don't have a vise, so I kind of just have to, just gotta have to work with it. But that's all I'm going to show you. You just pry on it. I'm going to come back and give you the weight. Hey guys, I got done stripping that motor. All this is copper. My scale isn't working right now, but I got 2 of those bins full of number 2 copper and some shred steel, so definitely worth it to strip your motors. Surprisingly, this is only one, but I had 25 motors, and I think I would get maybe 20 pounds. I have to wait till my scale works, and then I'm gonna weigh it. I'm guessing 20, but we'll see. Great day. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like down below. Leave a comment down below. Keep subscribing. Have a good day.